Welcome to Review Rumble. The best pool triangle rack is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious billiards player, ensuring that your balls are perfectly set up for every game, which is crucial for a fair and enjoyable experience on the table. And today we're diving deep into what makes a rack truly stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your home game room or professional setup. Number 5. Viper 8-Ball Hardwood Triangle Rack. Achieve a perfect rack for every game with this essential billiard accessory. It's designed to hold your standard 2 to 1 4-inch balls snugly. Crafted from durable hardwood with reinforced corners, this rack is built to last. It adds a touch of style to any game room. The rounded edges allow for smooth sliding, minimizing wear and tear on your billiard table's cloth. Enjoy more games with less worry. This triangle-shaped rack is specifically designed to hold standard 2 to 1 4-inch billiard balls. Get ready for your next shot with ease. Elevate your billiard experience with this high-quality rack. It's the perfect accessory for any serious player or casual game enthusiast. What we like. This rack is built with reinforced hardwood corners for durability and rounded edges to protect your table's felt. If you're looking for a rack that's both stylish and gentle on your equipment, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for those who want to preserve their pool table's cloth while enjoying a classic look. What people say. This rack is a great addition to my billiard room. It holds the balls securely and makes setting up shots a breeze. The design is sleek and modern, and it feels very sturdy. It's a significant upgrade from my old plastic rack. I love how this rack keeps the balls perfectly aligned every time. It makes a noticeable difference in the consistency of my game. Number 4. BetterLine Billiard Balls Set with Racks and Accessories. Get ready for endless fun with this complete billiard set. It includes everything you need to start playing, from the balls to the racks and even bonus accessories. Experience the difference with our professional-grade pool balls. Each one is crafted from high-quality poly resin, perfectly calibrated and polished for a superior game. Set up your game with ease using our premium solid hardwood racks. Both the triangle and diamond racks are built for durability, ensuring they'll last through countless games. We've included essential extras to enhance your playing experience. You'll find 5Q chalk cubes for better shots and 2 table spot stickers for convenience. Whether it's your home table, a community center, or your personal game room, this set is the perfect addition. It's designed for players of all levels. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help with a hassle-free refund or exchange. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This option offers a complete billiard experience, including balls, 2 types of racks, chalk, and spot stickers. If you're setting up a new game room or need a comprehensive package, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for anyone who wants everything they need to start playing right away without sourcing individual items. What people say. Nice quality and comes, 2 racks, and chalk. Bonus that this set came with triangle and diamond racks along with 4 blocks of chalk. The balls were weighed properly and the standard size. Worth the money for recreational pool. Number 3. Felson Billiard Mahogany Pool Ball Triangle. Introducing the classic mahogany pool ball triangle from Felson Billiard Supplies. It's designed to perfectly arrange your billiard balls for every game. Crafted from beautiful mahogany, this triangle adds a touch of elegance to your game room. Its simple yet classy design complements any decor. Built with sturdy wood construction, it's made to last through countless games. You can rely on its durability for consistent ball placement. Measuring 11.5 inches tall with a 12-inch base, it provides the ideal size for setting up your billiard balls. It ensures a tight rack every time. Its straightforward and classy design makes it a timeless accessory for any pool enthusiast. Enjoy a professional setup with ease. Trust Felson Billiard Supplies for quality accessories that enhance your playing experience. This triangle is a testament to their commitment to the game. What we like. Crafted from beautiful mahogany, this rack offers a simple yet elegant aesthetic with sturdy wood construction. If you appreciate a classic, understated design and prioritize the material's natural beauty, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a sophisticated addition to their game room that stands the test of time. What people say. Amazing quality and the correct size. It's lightweight, which makes it easy to store when not using. Perfect option that glides around on the pool table surface. Well made and holds the balls well pairing them up on the table. Seems to be well made and very sturdy. Number 2. Hathaway Pool Table Triangle Rack. Crafted from tough composite plastic, this rack offers reliable durability and resists wear from frequent use. It's built to withstand the test of time. With smooth molded edges, it prevents scratches on your pool table felt. This ensures the surface is protected during every re-rack. This rack is designed for regulation size 2.25-inch billiard balls. It ensures a tight, consistent rack every time you play. Its classic black color and universal design complement any game room or bar setting. It's a stylish addition to your billiard accessories. Measuring 12.25 inches, it's easy to store between games. This makes it convenient for any space. What we like. Made from tough composite plastic with smooth molded edges, this rack is designed for longevity and superior felt protection. If you're concerned about wear and tear on your pool table's surface, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for frequent players who need a durable rack that won't damage their felt. What people say. Good quality plastic, and moves really well on the pool table. I've had it for a couple of months now and it has held up really well. No crack, chips, warps, or bends. Excellent quality, light but very sturdy. My pool game has improved since it arrived, so it might even be lucky. Number 1. Rack Bolton 5.5-foot billiard table. Experience the thrill of a professional-style pool table in a compact, home-friendly size. It's designed for smooth gameplay and consistent ball roll, perfect for everyone in the family. Built with a sturdy MDF bed, regulation-grade felt, and rubber cushions, this table ensures excellent stability and accurate rebounds. It's lightweight yet heavy-duty for long-lasting fun. Get everything you need to start playing right away. It comes fully equipped with cues, balls, a rack, chalk, and a brush. Measuring 66L x 35W x 31H, it offers realistic gameplay while fitting comfortably in smaller spaces. It's a smart, space-saving alternative to larger tables. With its smooth blue velvet felt and stylish accents, it adds a modern touch to any game room. Quick and easy assembly means more time for play. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime warranty that covers defects, wear, or malfunction. We stand by the quality of our game tables and parts. What we like. This product comes with an ABS triangle rack as part of a complete accessory set for a mid-size pool table, backed by a lifetime warranty. If you're looking for a full package that includes a table and all the essentials, this is a great value. It's perfect for families or individuals wanting a ready-to-play pool experience with the peace of mind of a warranty. What people say. There's adjusters on the end of each leg to make sure the table is balanced properly. Bumper rails rebound nicely. The fabric has the right amount of resistance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.